This is livingpianos.com. Robert Estrin presenting a Steinway studio piano, model 1098. This piano sat in a home, barely played. It's all original and in such fresh condition. It's a pleasure to play. And listen to the rich, rewarding sound that you just don't get out of Asian production pianos. I'm going to play three short selections for you so that you can get an idea of the range of sound. The action is very even. The piano is like new, remarkable for a piano built in 1968. We've had pianos sometimes from the turn of the century that were like new, but that's incredibly rare. This is a real nice piano for you. Check it out, starting with the famous Mozart Sonata in C major, K545, the exposition. I purposely chose that because one thing about upright pianos is because the action doesn't have the benefit of gravity like a grand piano, the hammer's going sideways. Sometimes ornamentation, things like trills, are difficult to negotiate. But this piano is so well regulated and the action in such good condition that you can hear trills are effortless. I want you to hear how it opens up with just the opening of Schumann's Carnival. And that's something you typically don't hear out of an upright. That big, glorious sound with so much energy, never getting that crunch, that metallic edge that you get in lesser pianos. That's why people spend over $40,000 to get a new Steinway upright, which is why a piano like this is such a great find. I'm going to close with a beautiful little etude of Stefan Heller in B minor. It has a lot of crossed hands. It's a fun piece. I love to teach this piece. Students love it because of its beautiful melody, the haunting melody. So there are three little selections for you. An all-around nice piano. If you don't have the room for a grand, but you crave that Steinway sound, and such a elegant, beautiful style cabinet too. Notice that this can come in or out so that you can have a different presentation of your piano. And the music rack works either way. And if you like to hear the piano a little bit better, this opens up. And in the side, a little of the sound comes out the side. So, all around nice piano. Again, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Thanks so much for joining me. Catch you at the next one.